Ok, excuse-moi.
C'est le mec qui veut faire comme le papy dans la grange qui a perdu son fils. À cause de nous. Putain, mais Doc il est mignon, Doc. Doc il est mignon, pas comme le trou du cul. Putain, on a sauvé Doug, j'ai trop la haine.
J'avais dit.
Tout pour les mousseaux maintenant. Mais tu sais, le mec avec nous, enfin, quand j'étais petit, quand je regardais la vidéo, je crois qu'il a aussi sauvé Doug. Et après, sa réflexion, c'était comme la note, fait cette pute là, elle a un pistolet, elle sait pas s'en utiliser.
Here it is.
Bah, c'est normal en même
St.
temps.
Il
John's
faut qu'on lise
Family
le
Dairy.
texte, hein. Fait Bellec.
Y'all can see how we kept this place so safe.
The fence keeps them out?
You betcha. They fry like bugs in a zapper. We're pushing 4,000 volts through that thing with generators and amps.
Combien?
Oh wow. You guys
4000
must know a
volts.
thing or two
Ouais,
about running
combien?
wire.
Mais
Had
c'est
a
énorme.
guy who did, yeah.
Ouais, même il faut. Les enfants.
We've got kids in
Non,
our
non.
group. Doesn't seem safe to have them
Tu veux
near
dire quoi?
lethal fence.
Oh, don't worry about that. We
On
got
devrait pas parler
plenty to
des
keep
enfants.
'em entertained.
Oh wow. You've
Pourquoi
got
tu veux
enough
pas qu'on parle des
electricity
enfants?
to run the whole place.
It's worth
Parce
protecting.
qu'on n'avait pas parlé la
It's
dernière
all
fois.
the juice.
Ils ont vu?
thought I saw y'all with company coming down the drive.
Guys, this is our mama.
I'm Brenda St. John, and welcome to the St. John Dairy.
This here's Lee. He's been living down at the old motel, round the way.
They got a few more friends staying at the old motel.
Oh my goodness, that place is pretty vulnerable. Have you got someone with survival experience to lead your group?
Nous travaillons ensemble.
We all work together. Plus, we've got plenty of
Mais tu vois
people
les
with
deux mecs
military
à gauche de l'île là?
experience.
Well, that's good to
Quoi?
hear.
Tu vois les deux
That
mecs à gauche de l'île
motel
là?
ain't the safest place.
Ouais.
Now
Dis-moi
that
le.
y'all are
J'ai
here,
leur bonne
we'll
chance.
make sure you're safe and comfortable.
Ouais.
Ah ouais, je crois que c'est un des deux. Ah merde, j'ai pas vu l'offre.
Ouais, la
Does that
première vez,
offer
je fais ça.
apply to the rest of us?
We're starved.
These are for y'all. Baked fresh this morning.
Holy moly! Sorry.
Can't get stuff like that anymore. Not without a cow for milk and butter, that's for sure.
That's right. Hopefully Maybelle will make it through this bout of whatever she's got and be with us for a good long while.
Your cow is sick? What's she?
We have a vet. We could bring her here. We can help you folks out.
A vet?
Attends, le Véton on l'a
Oh
pas tué?
my, our prayers have been answered.
Ah non.
Maybe our whole group could come for the day.
Well, how about this? Y'all go get your veterinary friend and I'll prepare some dinner. A big feast for all you hungry souls. It'd be nice to have some folks to help out around here.
Non, je te jure, c'est horrible, c'est
Danny,
horrible.
why don't you come help
Natif,
me
je te
in
jure,
the
c'est
kitchen?
horrible. Bah, en fait, il y a des persos là qui parlent,
Why don't I head back with the food and round up
et juste je
everyone for
sais
the
ce
trip
qu'ils ont
back?
fait comme
Might want to
dinguerie.
take
Ça me
someone
casse les
with you.
couilles.
Remember, those roads can be dangerous.
No problem. Ben can come with me.
Take this.
All right. See you later.
Mark, Lee, why don't you take a look around? Once you get settled in, I could use some help securing the perimeter.
Is there a problem?
Sometimes the dead get tangled up in the fence before they fry and end up knocking over a post. It'd be a big help if you could walk the perimeter. You can learn a little something about our fence. I'm gonna go top off the generators before they run dry. Come get me when you're ready.
You betcha. This place is incredible. It's got food. And that fence? Oh man, that fence. If we play our cards right, this might turn out to be a place we can stay. So how do you want to play this?
Vas-y quoi? Là, je te laisse le choix parce que du coup je
Attends.
sais.
Ouais, en bas.
En bas? Vas-y.
They're offering us food. We
Moi
should
j'aurais
do
pris en haut.
whatever we can to make these people like us.
Hmm?
The way
J'aurais
Brenda
pris
was
en haut.
talking, I get the feeling like she'd be happy to have us stay.
All the more reason for us not to fuck this up. If Andy needs some help securing the perimeter, then that's what we do.
Putain, j'ai mis du miel dans l'eau, c'est horrible. J'ai mis du miel, de l'eau et de la menthe. Ah putain. Ah, j'ai hâte qu'on finisse le chapitre, hein. Et tu vas voir la singerie.
Too bad it's broken. I'll bet Clementine and Duck would have loved something like this to play on.
Kids used to like that old swing even more than the tour sometimes.
I'll bet. Mind if I fix it?
Sure, that'd be great. Mama sure does appreciate y'all helping out.
Looks like it just needs a new board for the seat and some rope. Make it safe for Clem and Duck. And let the St. John's know we can pull our weight around here.
Non, mais, mais pause 2 secondes. J'arrive dans 10 secondes.
Bon, là, on va parler un peu à tout le monde, moi je te cache pas.
So what's your read on Andy so far? Think they'd be open to letting us stay?
Getting the perimeter secured is gonna help us a lot.
We'll be getting in good and making this place safer for us.
I'm gonna get back to it.
Pourquoi ça bug comme ça?
Moi ça bug pas.
Ça bug de fou.
Hi. Hi. Well, I'm glad you guys decided to help us out. I noticed back at the motel that you folks are pretty well armed.
Ça bug toujours là?
Been stockpiling, huh?
Bah, pendant le cinématique ça bug pas, mais quand je marche ça bug.
Personne ne se fout de votre gueule, on veut vous aider à protéger la ferme.
Yeah, if you need some extra people to protect the dairy.
Moi je ris ça parce que.
Well, hopefully
Ouais.
it'll never come to that, but thanks.
Là-bas, là-bas, là-bas.
An electric fence is enough to keep out walkers.
Walkers? Is that what you call them? That's good. The old one wouldn't have, but Mac, he was our foreman. He figured out how to amp it up with the generators. We used to sit out here some nights and watch the sons of bitches sizzle and pop when they got too close. Closest thing to entertainment these days, I guess.
These generators are enough to power the whole dairy?
We got lots, and we gotta keep trading for fuel as much as we can, but they all work together to do the trick.
Pourquoi
Like
ce
us.
RPD by Daylight?
On est premier.
We can't be the first people you've invited up to the dairy.
Well, no, we've made similar deals with other folks, trading for gas and food, but ultimately they moved on, looking for the people they lost contact with.
Mark and I can help you with that perimeter now.
Oh, good.
Oh, tu remets la phrase en haut.
Fence will stop a walker in about 3 or 4
Let's move on
seconds,
some
but
stuff.
it's overloaded if we leave the husks out there.
You know, Mark and I can clear the fence ourselves if you want to stay here and finish up with the generators.
Well, that'd be great. I'll turn off the northwest section, and if you guys could strip them off and look for any weak points, well, that'd be a big help.
Sounds easy enough.
Stay attentive. You never know.
Oh, merde.
Do you think we're doing enough to get the St. John's to like us?
Well, we don't want to seem over anxious. Showing them we can handle this fence is going to go a long way.
I can't wait until everyone's out here. Everyone besides Larry.
He wouldn't be such a pain in the ass if you weren't telling him we were talking behind his back all the time.
I'm sorry, all right?
I try to be civil at least.
He's too busy being cranky to notice. There's one. Ugh. Lee, it's dead.
Come on, let's push
Ouais.
it off.
Non, non, le touche. Ah, mais ça clash.
Looks like he's stuck. Disgusting.
Le mec a découpé une jambe et là il trouve ça dégueulasse.
Come on. I'm sure there's still a few more.
Once this fence is patched up, this place will be a fortress. God, can you imagine not having to worry about the walkers anymore?
The fortress needs people to defend it.
We've got enough people. So what's your take on the brothers? They seem to have
J'ai
this
pas
place
bu-
tied
ah,
down
bu
pretty
l'avance.
Je
well.
sais même pas ce que ça veut dire.
What do you mean by that?
I don't know. They seem decent enough. I just want you to know that I've got your back if anything goes down. That's all.
Thanks. There's another one.
I see it.
Ah,
You never get used to the smell, do you?
Nope.
non.
Nope.
Christ. I can't stop thinking about dinner. Thanks for the rations earlier. It's not easy eating in front of the kids, but it's all that's keeping me on my feet right now.
Just try to focus on the task.
They knew what they were doing, teasing us with food and then giving us chores.
Having a good meal will be worth it.
Come on, I think I see where they're getting in. This one must have knocked it over trying to get through. He's tangled up in there pretty good. Come on, help me get this thing back in place so we can get Mr. Crispy off of here.
I think we can get better leverage from the other side.
Good idea.
Et tu fais comment pour revenir après, ton cul?
Tu passes entre les trucs.
Moi,
Mais je
je
sens
sais pas.
il y a une merde là. Il y a une merde.
Bah, il y a juste un zombie à 2 cm quoi. Bah, après, il est bien coincé les zombies.
Holy fuck! What just happened?
The fences are on.
Why the hell would he turn the fence on? He knows we're out here.
What the? Get to the gate.
Ah, ça j'avais complètement zappé.
Get down.
J'avais complètement zappé cette attaque.
Who the fuck is that?
No idea.
Fuck. Now what?
With the fence on that gate, it's our only way out.
Show yourself! Over there! You assholes deserve to die! Trying to lure me to the open. You didn't deliver the goods!
Link, get
Now
back
we're
here.
gonna take what's owed! Get closer! You got it, Sammy! What about our arrangement?
Shit,
Je
something's
vais avoir un
still
truc derrière
blocking.
qui bloque.
Did you really think you could fuck with us? Behind the tractor! I'll fuck you so, bitch!
No fuel. Of
You
course.
assholes! I already got one of you. Where's our
Relève-toi.
food, you assholes?
Ah, wow.
Come on. If we can reach the gate, we can get through this fence and back
Ouais,
to the
gros,
house.
on a affaire aux mecs les mecs les plus cons de France.
Come on out! Give us the food! I got you now!
Par contre, l'autre il est vraiment pas couvert, mais bon.
What happened?
Shit.
Ok, tu vois
It's
pas
one of the
Sia.
dead we pushed down earlier.
I
Gonna
already
have to
got
move.
one of you. Get closer! You fuck with us! Now we'll take the food!
Tu veux pas le pousser le truc? Ah non, tu mens.
Another
Il y a forcément qui va se
How many
réveiller.
of those things could be pushed down? Get down!
Ouais, vraiment.
You okay?
Il a jeté à l'intérieur là, le zombie? Il a jeté à... Ah,
Ouais.
pute. Mais on a affaire au pire... On a affaire au pire mec là, qui nous tire dessus.
Ouais,
Oh, il est
vraiment.
trop nul.
C'est bon, l'autre il va nous sauver, il a dit.
Hein? Mais attends, je suis mort comment? Hein? J'ai rien fait, j'avais pas de QTE à faire là.
Another one? How many of those things did we push down?
Je suis mort de quoi?
Je sais pas. Ah, attends, bouge pas. Oh, merde.
Ils sont trop nuls, ils sont trop nuls, ils sont trop nuls.
T'as une hache.
Ah, jette-le à l'autre bout de du monde, par pitié.
You
Non,
okay?
mais là c'est.
J'ai fait un Bélec qui a pas trébuché.
The gate's right there.
Il est trop nul. Ah, parce que j'avançais pas assez vite, mais il était à 15 km pour m'attraper ma jambe, par pitié, arrêtez de faire exprès.
You lucky sons of bitches! Go ahead and run! We ain't going nowhere!
Il a jamais fait attaquer eux?
Oh, le zombie il s'est relevé, il a fait ah bâtard, tu penses que j'étais mort?
Ah, bâtard, c'était mort, hein, bâtard.
Lee, what's wrong?
I thought this place was safe.
Vas-y,
Holy
hein.
shit, are you okay?
Fucking bandits. They have no right being out here.
Ah bon?
Oh my lord! What happened to you, sweetheart?
It was those bastards in the woods, Mama.
Yeah, I'll be alright once it's out, but god damn it hurts.
Ah là là.
Hey, y'all.
Mark, oh my god, what
He
happened?
got shot with an arrow.
Christ, are you gonna be okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Je pense Marc on le reverra plus.
Pull it out.
Oh
Baptiste.
no,
Marc,
honey,
c'est lui, là?
come on,
Ouais.
Brenda's got you. Come on
Je crois qu'on le
inside
reverra
now.
plus.
We'll have you all sorted out.
Quoi?
Well, you must be
T'inquiète.
the
What kind
veterinarian.
of shit is
Il est
this?
mort là?
We ran into
Oh,
some people on the way
putain.
up here. Bandits, I guess. I think it was them that attacked us.
They gave us a lot of problems in the beginning.
Et elle est où,
Killed a
Clémentine?
bunch of our farmhands.
J'ai
We
vu,
were
j'ai
able to
vu,
get them to
j'ai
stop by
fait
making
que
a
j'ai
deal.
regardé.
What you do about these people?
Food for
Évidemment.
protection. Not like we had much of a choice, but they did stop hassling us.
God damn it! Doug said this place was safe.
It
C'était un
was
coup de
just
bol.
a fluke thing.
Non.
We can't stop assuming there aren't bad people out there.
What the hell do you mean a fluke?
It could have happened anywhere. Could have happened to us in the motor inn.
Listen, we may have had an agreement with those people, but we will not stand for this shit.
Ain't no way we're gonna let those sons of bitches get away with this.
You know where these assholes are?
They're hard to pin down, but I think I know where at least one of their camps are. When you're ready to go scope out that bandit camp, come find us.
On va parler à tout le monde et après on va le
Bandits?
voir.
Are you serious? This place isn't safe. We can't stay here.
Not
Ils ont juste
safe.
des arbalètes, hein, ces
This
enculés.
place is a hell of a lot safer than that motor inn. I think all of us and our guns can handle a couple of punks with bows and arrows. What
Voilà,
we need
voilà
to
Ken.
do is find a way to get our whole group out here to stay. Take this place over if we have to. Whoa, cool your jets there, Rambo. These are nice people. Let's not do anything to get us thrown out before we eat.
I'm gonna head out and help Dan deal with these bandits. You guys should try to make friends with Andy and Brenda while I'm gone.
Well, that's easy. I got charm coming out of my ass.
Yeah, that's real charming, Dad.
Where's Ben and Doug?
Since Doug ate half the biscuits on the way to get us, I had them stay back. I still don't think we should be trying to stay here, and someone's got to watch the motor inn until we get back.
Hey, I remember seeing kids in your group, so I went ahead and fixed that swing while you were out. Hope you kids like swings.
Swing! I love swings! Just like at my treehouse! Come on, Doc!
Why don't you kids go and
Ouais,
play on
ils
the
sont
swing?
tellement
huh?
mignons les deux.
Yeah!
Enfin, surtout Clémentine, Doug va te faire
Anytime.
enculer.
We're looking out for you.
Allez, bon allez, on va s'amuser un peu à explorer. On va parler aux deux là-bas. Vas-y, gros. Lily, ma femme.
Lee, oh my god, I'm so glad you two didn't get killed out there. Do you think Mark will be okay?
Wish I
Elle est amoureuse, elle veut,
I
elle veut,
think he's
elle
in
veut.
good hands now.
Pas elle qui nous
Yeah,
avait dit, ouais, j'attends
it's
rien en
not
retour, je sais
too
pas pourquoi
bad.
je lui ai demandé de la
They'll be
bouffe.
fine.
Ouais, mais on lui a
I've
donné
seen
de la
guys
bouffe.
go through worse.
How could you all bring us to this place?
Ah, ok. Au sujet de ton père devant lui. Au sujet de ton daron là qui casse les couilles un peu, non?
Au sujet du connard à ma gauche là.
Au sujet de ton
Du con qui
daron,
sert de père
alors,
là.
on a parlé de la date ou pas? Tu as parlé avec Kenny?
Take it you and Kenny didn't exactly make up on the way here.
I tried seeing things from his point of view, having a wife and kid and everything. But gambling with your family's life is pretty stupid if you ask me. Hey, thanks for backing me up this morning at the motel. I know I came down on you guys pretty hard, but you do agree with the way I'm running things, right?
Ouais, vas-y, tu es un bon leader.
Oh,
You're a good leader.
on te chame un peu
Kenny's too
lui.
emotional, but his intentions are in the right place. Still, it'd be best for all of us if you two could try to work together once in a while.
On continue à lui parler? Au sujet de ton père. Allez, j'aimerais vraiment faire le sujet de ton père. Regarde ses yeux, regarde ses yeux à son daron.
Ça compte comme il va mieux, je sais pas quoi.
Hey, can I talk to you in private for a second?
Oula, non.
La dot.
It's been 3 months. Your dad still treats me like I'm some kind of asshole.
Yeah, well, don't expect that to change. That's just how he is.
Does he treat you
Passif
like that too?
agressif.
Look, my dad can be an ass sometimes, I know that. But he's not a bad guy. He's got a lot of pain. He's been through so much, and lost pretty much everything. And it's hardened him, you know? Yeah, he's bitter and hateful, but that's all just to protect himself.
Voilà, en soi il est gentil, elle a raison.
All he's got left in the world is me. And that goes both ways. So yeah, he's probably gonna keep treating you like crap, but
Eh ben
that's
viens,
just because he still has one
il me
thing
traite
left
comme
to
de la
care
merde.
about. So don't judge him. And don't judge
Oh.
me for sticking by him. He's my dad. And I love him.
Je pense, viens, en fait, faut qu'on le traite comme de la merde. Mais le moment où on doit faire un choix entre sauver qui, on le sauve. Ah, c'est bon, on va pas faire ce sujet de conversation.
Bah,
I'm
si.
gonna go check
Ah, tu vas
things
en faire
out.
tout?
Just don't get too nosy. These
je sais
kinds
pas.
of people are usually pretty protective of their privacy.
Yeah, and we don't need you poking your nose where it don't belong
Oh, mais
and
je vais
getting us
l'enculer.
thrown out in our asses.
Ouais, mais c'est bon, c'est bon. C'est bon, toi. Et je vais, et je vais tout fouiller à quoi? Ton daron là.
Il y avait un truc dans le coin.
Mais c'est pour dire où sont les bêtes.
If there's not enough room in the house for all of us, I guess a few of us could camp out here in shifts.
Pour le bout, c'est un hôtel la maison, il me dit, il n'y a pas
If
assez de
there's
place.
not enough room in the house for all of us, I guess a
48
few of us
étages.
could camp out here in shifts.
Où sont les bétails? Où sont les vaches?
Looks
Bon.
like a feeding station for the cow.
Mais comment ils ont de la bouffe? Je comprends pas.
On laisse se promener au calme, il n'y a rien.
Ok. D'ailleurs, je vais pas regarder tous les trucs comme ça.
Clémentine.
Mon chouchou.
Hey, Clem, do you like the swing?
Yeah, it's fun.
Be sure to tell Andy thank you, okay?
I will. Will you push me on it?
Toujours
Sure.
gentil.
Happy to push you on the swing. Mind if Clementine takes a turn?
All right, Duck. Let Clementine have a try for a bit.
Okay.
Tira après, petit bouffon. Ah là, je dois mettre des coups de pied ou pas?
How
Comment
you
tu
holding
t'affirmes?
up, Clementine?
I'm okay, I guess. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just a little worried
Elle est
about
trop
Mark.
forte cette gamine.
Is Mark going to be okay?
Got lucky out there. Could have been a lot worse.
Are you going to find the people who hurt Mark?
Man, we have to make sure they don't hurt
Tu veux
anyone
savoir un
else.
truc,
Be
Clémentine?
careful. I want you to to stay lucky.
Marc a
too.
des très bons goûts.
Well, since I met you, I've had good luck, so don't worry.
Okay.
Quoi?
What do you think of the dairy?
Voilà.
It's pretty. It reminds me of how things used to look before.
Yeah, it does.
Do you think things will ever get back to how they were?
Est-ce que tu penses que ça reviendra dans normal? Viens, on lui dit non, faut que la gamine se comprenne. Genre.
Vas-y.
Je ne suis pas sûr.
Not sure, Clem. I hope so.
I hope so too.
Don't worry. We're safe here now.
As long as the bad people don't get me too, right?
Oh là là, elle est
Let
trop
what
mignonne la
happened to
gamine.
Mark happen to you.
Promise?
I promise. All right, Clem. That's enough for now.
Okay. Thanks for pushing me.
Of course. It's all yours.
Yeah!
Okay, Duck, don't pop a gasket.
Pourquoi on est obligé d'en parler à lui? Bon, dès qu'on s'en bat un
Got
peu
some
les
things
couilles.
to take care of. I'll be back in a bit.
Okay.
Ah non, je parlais. Je voulais.
Non, tu peux pas parler à lui. Si.
Hey,
Hey, Lee. How's it going with the St. John's?
good. I was talking to Andy earlier and offered our group's assistance on the dairy. I don't think they have much to protect them besides the fence, though he seemed pretty appreciative.
Great. Sounds like they're starting to accept us.
Definitely. Did Duck and Katja get here okay?
Now, it wasn't easy. Duck didn't look so good on the walk over to this place.
Well, if everything works out, maybe he and Katja can have an easier life here.
That's funny. He didn't seem too worried about Duck when Larry wanted to throw him out into the street back in Macon.
That's in the past, Kenny. A lot's happened since then.
Yeah, right.
Et il nous en veut encore.
Pourquoi?
How you
Pour son
feel
fils, qu'on n'a pas
I hope they
foutu.
feed us,
Quand il
Lee.
était mordu,
Soon.
sans disant mordu,
On the
son
way
fils.
over here, I was getting dizzy.
Oui, c'est pas
Hands
énorme.
shaking, cold sweats. Thought I was gonna pass out.
They've got food here.
Yeah, but I'm not just talking about one meal, you know?
I guess Lily isn't too thrilled about being here.
I could give two shits about what Lily wants. Duck and Katja need food, and I'm not about to sit around that motor inn and watch them go hungry. You're with me on this, right?
Il va pas prendre parti?
Ça monte t'as pas de couilles quoi si tu prends pas parti.
Ouais, mais après il a pas tort. Mais si on. Après il a pas tort de rester ici.
Yeah, of course. Lily's judgment is clouded, but you got a pretty clear head about these things. I'm gonna go have a look around.
Don't wait too long to help scope out that bandit camp. Sounds like they're pretty amped up about it. This might be a good way to earn their trust.
Good idea.
Bon, Doug va te faire enculer, toi. Ils veulent pas qu'on rentre.
Fellas,
How you feeling, Lee? Look, I'm really sorry you almost got killed out there. We should have told you how dangerous it was.
no shit.
You saw what they did to your buddy. Nobody's safe here until we start to fight back.
But how?
The two of us should go out and do some recon. Then we'll all mount up for some revenge.
Ah oui, on va
Hell
partir là.
Yeah.
Who the fuck are these people in the woods?
We don't know. I think some of them used to work at the big box up the way.
Save lots.
Yeah. Anyway, they're nutty as all hell and get mad when they're hungry.
So are you ready to head out there and find their camp?
Yeah, we gotta work together on this. Those bandits are after everybody. Let's do it.
I'll stay here and hold down the fort.
Remember, we're just doing reconnaissance for now. No use getting ourselves killed.
Are you going now?
Yeah, I'll be back soon, Clementine.
Please be lucky.
I will.
Bon, il est pas au courant, on va tuer son collègue. Hein.
Quel collègue.
Lui il est derrière, on va le buter.
Not yet.
Non, je rigole, je rigole.
I know it's around here. It's gotta be close.
Here.
Oh shit, you found it?
Wesh, ils sont pas protégés eux. Je peux avoir un zombie, soit enculé.
Mm.
You see anybody?
Et sur tes gardes.
Stay on your guard.
Les gars, vous faites enculer, vous êtes à 2 mètres du camp et vous êtes à 2 mètres de l'arbre.
Watch my back, Lee. I'm gonna check out the tent.
Et là, ça ken dans la tente.
Clear. This camp's too small. It can't be their main base.
That's what I was thinking.
Take a look around anyway. There's probably some shit around here they stole from us.
Nothing. Empty. Looks like they expected to be here a while.
Je pense que dans la marmite, il doit y avoir un crâne, un truc comme ça.
Just water.
Oh non.
Ouais,
Empty. But it looks like someone's been eating out of these recently. Nothing but fumes. Shit.
j'ai l'impression que c'était pas leur camp.
What's in the boxes?
They're all from save lots.
The first few days, they told folks to gather to the save lots by the interstate. Anything worth taking?
Not unless you need a bunch of empty cans.
I'll pass.
Boxes from the dairy here.
Probably the food we've been giving them. Fuckers cross the line.
On va devoir fermer notre gueule là. On récupère ça en fin
What
de
do you
notre gueule.
find?
A video camera.
Let me see that.
Pourquoi il panique?
Battery's dead though.
Oh, good. What else they got over here? Let's see if we can find anything useful and then get a move on. I see you handled that gun I lent you pretty well. You a hunter?
No, but Lily keeps us all on a regular training schedule.
Lily, huh? Sounds like she's running this democracy of yours.
Il veut trop savoir ce mec.
Looks like they were moving a lot of stuff. Oh, man. Jesus, there's a kid mixed up in this?
Was more like.
C'est toi qui se fait attaquer là.
Ouais, c'est là, on se fait un peu chier.
Looks like they expected to be here a while.
Il n'y a plus rien à faire.
empty, but it looks like someone's been eating out of these recently.
Ah non, je l'ai pas vu ça.
Yuck, I don't need that.
Il y avait un truc en plus dans la tente?
Oh.
Non.
The hell?
Don't you fucking move. Shit! Put your guns down.
Mais c'est pas la casquette
I ain't
de
going
Clémentine?
back. You tell him Jolene
Je me
ain't
suis
going
dit.
back.
Hey, we had a deal. No shooting as long as we gave you food. What the fuck happened?
You had a deal with them. I ain't them. Oh, I know you. I know what you are. And I know what you do.
You don't know me.
Steal my shit. Steal everything from me.
We had a deal.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe
You
ici?
people
Qu'est-ce qui se passe ici?
Ouais, n'importe quoi.
broke it first.
Why are you alone up here? What happened to you?
Well, that's a hell of a question, mister. They told me I'd be safe with them. Men who lived here. But it weren't safe. Not for me. And not for my girl.
Huh?
They didn't treat her nice. Not at all. They took her away into the woods. Wouldn't tell me where. And I begged them every way I could think. They just laughed. So I killed them. And I'm staying here till she comes back to me. One way or another. She'll come back. Now, maybe you didn't hear me last time. When I asked you, sweet, put your damn guns down. You think I won't kill you? I'm gonna take this here crossbow and put a nice sharp arrow right through your eyeball and into your goddamn brain. You're not men. You're monsters. All men are monsters. Take what they want and then destroy it all. Take a can of beans. Take a little girl.
Où tu as trouvé ce chapeau?
Ouais, bah sinon je tire moi de toute façon.
All the fucking same to you.
Where did you get this hat?
The little girl.
You stole it from her.
So what if I did? You stole her from me.
What the hell are you talking about?
You know what? I changed my mind. I'm putting this arrow right through your balls. Yeah, right through. String them up on that tree. Then I'm gonna head down to that farm and shoot every god.
Posez cette arbalète, ne soyez
Ah
pas
vas-y,
sûr.
c'est quoi cette arbalète, ouais.
Posez cette
Ça me
arbalète.
sonne trop fou, on tire.
Damn person I see.
Put down the crossbow.
No, sir, I need it. I need it to kill you fuckers. Go on, tell him, boy. Tell him what you got in mind for. Oh.
Pourquoi il a tiré? J'ai l'impression qu'elle est au courant des choses que lui qu'il veut pas nous dire.
God damn it!
Tu vois, si on est méchant.
You straight up murdered that woman.
Hardly. She had a crossbow pointed at my forehead.
Et c'est trop, c'est trop Oui, mais déjà l'arme était pointée sur moi. Et j'ai l'impression qu'elle connaissait bien le
Clean
chip.
shot though, right through the forehead. That's good shooting right there. Still, what a waste.
So, that's it. We going back?
If they ain't here, I don't know where they are. And it ain't a good idea to go tromping through the woods looking for them. So yeah, we head back. Once they see this, they'll get the message.
Skin, sa fille est morte.
Come on.
Il sourit comme un psychopathe, ce fils de pute. Mais tu vois, on l'a pas tué. Je pense que si nous on le tuait, il y avait un problème. Ça nous aurait pris pour un fou au village. Parce que Daddy il est au courant qu'on a tué un mec.
Jesus, Danny.
What? You ain't getting soft on them, are ya? Not after what they did to your friend.
You're back. What happened?
Handled it, Mama.
This isn't what Terry would have wanted.
Terry?
My miss him every day.
Then screw it up for everybody then, why don't you?
Oh, calm down, princess. I'll do it myself.
What's going on with them?
Dunno. Squabbling looks like. Lot of tension with y'all, huh?
Y a pas de tension, y a pas de tension. Y a pas de tension, y a pas de tension. Faut pas qu'on qu'il est au courant qu'il y a une tension dans le groupe.
Well, it's probably just the hunger talking. We all get a little testy. We'll fix that shortly. And Lee, don't worry your head about them bandits. I'm sorry you've seen more violence than I'd have thought in your short time, but you
Tu
all
savais ce qu'on avait fait.
don't worry.
Think I'll go have a look around.
Don't wander too far.
Personne parle du coup de feu
Dinner
là?
will be ready before you know it. And
Apparemment
thank
non.
your friend Koch again
Bon
for
Mathis, je
me.
suis au courant de maintenant de ce qui va se passer. Reste vigilant s'il te plaît. Parce que c'est au moment du dîner, il faut avoir les yeux grands ouverts, ok? N'oublie pas tout ce qui s'est passé. Tu te souviens ce qui s'est passé dans la forêt? La dame qui connaissait le chip. On a trouvé une vidéo, le mec il voulait à tout prix voir la vidéo. Voilà.
Non, mais déjà depuis le début, il veut savoir qui est lâché, je sais pas quoi.
Oui. Mais j'aimerais bien aller parler à Marc. Elle nous a dit de venir jusqu'à chez Clémentine comme si c'était un jean. Oh.
Tu faisais le clic anonyme?
It's okay, Clementine. You can pet her.
It's okay, go ahead.
Et elle se fait mordre, hein. J'arrache la tête de la meuf et la vache.
Je tue la daronne et les deux fils.
Katja says Mabel could have her baby tonight.
We'll see, Clementine.
What's this thing?
Daddy said it's called a salt lick.
Yeah, but don't lick it. It's gross.
Did you lick it?
I don't know.
Oh,
Salope que tu es.
How do you like
sale
that cow,
chienne.
Clint?
She's pretty.
La vache est jolie, mais putain.
Here, Clementine.
My hat! You found it!
Avec un peu de sang, mais tranquille.
I knew you'd find it. You said you would.
Listen, did you give your hat to anyone?
No,
Did you see any strangers around the motor inn who might have taken it?
no. Why?
It's probably nothing. Just let me know if you ever see anything like that.
Okay, I will. Hey, Lee, do you think you'll ever have kids?
Je ne pense pas.
J'aimerais un jour.
I'd like to someday. Maybe a little girl like you.
That's nice. You'd be a good daddy. Well, thanks for finding my
Par en
hat.
couille, là.
You're welcome, Clem.
Do you want to pet the cow with me?
Nah, but you go on ahead.
Sale pute. Ah, on va tout fouiller devant les yeux du fils.
Toi, tu dis, ouais, j'aimerais avoir une petite fille, comme ça, elle dira plus tard, t'es comme mon père, et voilà. Terminé. Et le jeu est fini, et merci, on construit notre vie, et voilà.
Ah mais je crois tu sais le jeu après genre là il y a 4 jeux comme ça hein. Et j'ai les 4 jeux hein.
Ouais.
Là on finit le chapitre 5, il y a une nouvelle saison genre.
5?
Il y a 5 chapitres. Genre là on est au deuxième chapitre, je crois il y en a 5 ou 6.
You found it too, huh?
Pas 4?
Lee, they're hiding
Ou peut-être
something
4 ouais.
behind this door.
En gros, il y a 20
I got a
chapitres.
quick look.
Ouais un truc comme ça.
They got boxes of stuff and something metal and sharp.
Don't get paranoid.
It's my job to be paranoid, Lee. I got my whole family on this farm right now. How about you? What about Clem?
Je la protégerai qu'il arrive.
I'll protect her no
T'es
matter
con
what.
Kenny. Ah, je te jure, faut être... Là moi je te jure, moi je suis côté du
The guy
Kenny.
with Katja. What's his name? He locked it up real tight the second we came in. I definitely heard a noise back there, Lee.
What?
My point is, we gotta know for sure. So go find a hammer or something and I'll have this thing off in a second. You back me up in case them farmers come running.
Hang on, man. Think this through. You smash the lock. Then what if it turns out you're wrong? You just fucked your chance to get a good meal in those kids you're trying to protect. Use your head, Kenny.
All right, Professor, what'd you have in mind?
Let me have a look at what we're dealing with first.
Hey, Lee, you know how to pick a lock, right?
No. Why would you say that?
Parce que t'es noir.
You know, urban?
Oh, you are not saying what I think you're saying.
Jesus, man, I'm from Florida. Crazy shit just comes out of my mouth sometimes. Sorry. What?
See those screws? Instead of breaking the padlock, we can just take off the assembly, have a peek inside, and then replace it all again like nothing ever happened.
All right, sounds like you got a plan. I'll hang around and keep an eye on that guy with the cow.
Andy.
Shit, I thought that was Danny.
Attends, mais on peut le voir entre,
Can
bande
I help
d'enculés.
you boys find something?
Je vérifie juste la grange.
Just checking out the barn here. Never been to a dairy farm before.
Just don't roam around without me or Danny. The farm can be a dangerous place. You know.
On va trouver une excuse.
Sorry about your friend. Hey, do me a favor. Don't fuck around with this door, okay? Just, you know, Mama gets nervous.
Andrew, I need your help again.
No
Il y a un
problem.
truc
Right away,
derrière la
Doc.
porte.
Quoi?
Il y a un truc derrière la porte.
Mais non.
Hey, guys, seriously, don't fuck around with that. Come on, enough already.
Il faut le distraire pour sortir de la grange. Hein? Pourquoi il y a du stuff?
Looks like a bunch of old dirty clothes. Ooh, smells pretty foul.
Pourquoi ça sent les vêtements là? Pourquoi il y a des vêtements? Pourquoi il y a du sang?
Ton avis?
C'est bon, t'as compris?
Ah oui.
Tu vas voir, la fin elle est exceptionnelle. Si on arrive.
Je sais pas qui tue, mais...
Tu vas
il
être,
tue.
tu vas être choqué.
Hey there, Andy.
Yeah?
Je suis un tournevis?
Danny a dit qu'il avait besoin de toi.
Danny mentioned he needed something.
Did he say what?
Shit, I can't remember now. Sorry.
All right, all right. Be right back, Doc.
Faut qu'on trouve un tournevis du coup.
Cherche dans les trucs, t'as rien à voir.
Okay, let's do this.
False alarm. I'm back.
Fils de pute. Fils de pute. Bon allez, on part. Faut qu'on trouve un tournevis là.
So, how does a woman like yourself run this whole
Ah,
place?
il perd pas,
I
il perd pas le
managed
nord lui.
just fine. Plus, I have my boys to help out. I couldn't do it without them.
On va voir Lily, mais c'est pas Lily que je cherche moi. Je cherche un tournevis, Lily.
Quaint. Doesn't offer much in the way of protection, though.
What's going on, Lee? Did something happen?
On dit quoi?
Dis la vérité, cette grange ça me
There
semble
may
louche.
be something
On dit
going
pas Kenny
on
parce qu'elle
with
croit
that
pas Kenny.
barn.
Ça
I'm
vient de
telling you, Lee, the longer we stay here, the more trouble we're getting ourselves into.
And what exactly do you think I'm supposed to do about it?
If you want to go in there and start rooting through other people's shit, then get to it. But if it's up to me, we should just take our food and go.
Eh oui.
After what Kenny told me, I'm starting to think they may be trying to hide something.
You two are just asking for trouble. But if you insist on wandering around, I'd be careful, Lee.
What were you and Kenny arguing about when I came back from the camp?
He's losing it, Lee. He comes over and starts talking about searching the barn and that these people are hiding something. The way I see it, we just need to skip the dinner and get our food to go. But I'm starting to think your friend over there has another agenda.
How do you feel about leaving the motor inn?
I don't know. If we'd just stayed where we were, then Mark wouldn't have ended up with an arrow in his shoulder.
I'm gonna go check things out.
Watch yourself, Lee.
Ouh, ok baby. Mais du coup elle est mitigée, elle veut rester mais elle veut pas fouiller, elle veut...
Je sais pas, je comprends rien, elle est bizarre.
Oh, attends. Attends. Fils de pute.
Just gonna borrow this for a second. If a couple of tools out in the open is as unsafe as it gets, we'll be fine here. Would have been nice to have one of these back at the motor inn.
Hello. Glad I got to use her today. My girl here.
Oula. J'attends avec seulement une vache.
How do you run this place with just one cow?
Used to have more. They get hungry too. Or sick. Got your doctor friend here now, though.
You guys must trade for a lot of fuel to keep the generators running, right?
People get hungry, and a few loaves of bread fetch a high price. Y'all are luckier on this side of the deal now.
La brouette? C'est où la brouette?
I saw a wheelbarrow over there full of garbage. Some bloody clothes.
Things happen on a dairy. Cut myself darn bad just the other day. Blood everywhere.
You seem okay.
I'm tough.
Et là, du coup, il sait qu'on se doute de quelque chose.
You really like the gun.
What's not to like?
C'est juste un flingue.
Ouais, pas grand-chose, pas grand-chose. Ouais, ça.
That's where you're wrong.
Juste pas
This is
dernière.
Charlotte. She's as faithful as a starving hound when you got a bone in your pocket.
I'm gonna go wait for supper then.
Ah
It'll be a
merde.
good one.
Et ouais, là, on est...
On est cook. On va aller voir la daronne.
Je sais pas que c'était ça la brouette, frère.
Déjà, je savais même pas remarqué que c'était une boîte. Oh là là.
We'll finish talking later.
Tu peux
Oh
pas
non, reste là, reste là.
Reste là,
You
ouais.
been getting along with Larry?
He's just a big old sweetheart, ain't he?
Don't know if I would have used those words exactly.
Don't judge, honey. This world is bringing out the worst in people. But if you really look, you'll catch a glimpse of humanity every now and then.
Mauvais Marc.
On parle pas de la grange.
Best patient I ever had. Oh, my boys get so much as a scratch and start hollering. He could definitely teach
peut le
them
voir
a
ou
thing
pas?
or two about being tough.
I'd still like to check on him.
You're
Tu
gonna
te rappelles, je t'avais dit
have
les deux mecs à
this,
gauche.
Lee. I've helped stitch my share of wounds. I know what I'm talking
Non ou
about.
pas?
Ouais.
Finalement, c'était le mec à droite.
We ran into some trouble out there.
I was just
Attends, mais
glad
là, en
you
fait,
two
il est dans la
weren't
maison,
hurt.
il peut même pas y
Those
aller, sauf
bandits
qu'ils
just
sont en
don't
train
know when to quit.
de le tuer, genre.
My boys, they can hold their own.
Non, 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 surtout pas.
On dit rien.
Rien.
Them folks in the woods are no good, Lee. I know it was tough, but I'm glad you and Danny
Parce
saw
que si on
it
dit la
deal
première, on
with
se
it.
faisait enculer.
It only
Et
lasts
des
a little
suspicieux.
while.
Ouais.
Et on parle pas de la
Think
grange.
I'll go have a look around.
Kinda peaceful out here, ain't it? Enjoy it while you can. You'll probably start hearing those monsters frying against the fence before too long.
Ah, je comprends pas ce qu'il y a une partie de la barrière qui est toujours ouverte, quoi.
C'est pas elle a refermé la barrière. Faut qu'on aille parler au daddy là.
Mais en mode les zombies ils peuvent rentrer, c'est ça que je veux dire.
Mais là, en fait, le problème, c'est si on va parler au daddy, il va s'en battre les couilles, il va juste nous insulter. Si on lui dit, ouais, là, la famille, elle est pas safe, hein.
Oui, mais lui, il est en train de gérer la meuf, donc il va te dire si elle est safe.
Oui.
So, Larry, it looks like you're getting along with Brenda pretty well.
You know, for a nice
Qu'est-ce que ça
change
peut
of
te
pace,
foutre?
how about
Et
you
voilà.
try and minding your own fucking business?
Et tout ça, les vlagros.
Vas-y, retourne dans la grange là.
Having a crop like that on hand must be great. We're gonna need to learn how to maintain it if we end up staying here.
Non, non, mais t'inquiète
Oh,
pas,
t'inquiète
on
pas,
restera pas ici.
t'inquiète pas. Ouais, c'est bon, on fait péter le verrou. Sûr, ça va nous proposer ça, à faire péter le verrou. Moi, je serais
Ouais,
chaud
mais faut
d'aller
tout
chercher un
faire
pistolet
là.
juste pour le rendre fou, le mec. Petite pute.
Have I
Oh
missed
là, un
anything?
petit là.
No, not really. It smells funny in here.
Like shit, right, Lee?
Hey, don't use swear words, okay?
Comme si j'avais chié, il a dit. Ah, ça sent la
Ok.
merde là, hein? Hein, Lee?
How do you like that cow, Clint?
She's pretty.
Eh ben, on va le tuer.
Hey there, Andy. Yeah.
Danny a encore besoin de...
Non, gardez-vous vos outils.
Et non, mais il va se douter du coup après.
Mais non,
On
il
va
sait,
faire une
il
petite-
sait pas qu'on veut dévorer la porte. Il dit gardez-vous les outils, voilà.
Vas-y.
So, where do you keep the rest of the tools?
Well, if you need something, just tell me what it is, and I can get it for you.
Not that
Oh là
important.
là, comment il est bizarre.
Danny needs something again.
All right, all right. Be right back, Doc.
On l'envoie comme notre chien, ce fils de pute.
Mhm.
Wesh, il nous a regardé du coin de l'œil.
Okay, let's do this.
False alarm. I'm back.
Ça sert à
Oh là,
rien.
lui là, Kenny, ouais.
Kenny, tu veux pas faire une petite bagarre générale avec son fils?
J'ai un truc, frère. Voilà, dis-lui.
I picked up something I think could help with the lock.
All right, good to hear.
On va te faire enculer par contre.
I tried distracting Andy, but he keeps coming back.
There's got to be something out there you can mess with to keep him busy for a while. What about those generators?
Bien sûr, on n'a pas regardé le générateur.
Et on va saboter le générateur. Oh,
Ouais,
Clément,
mais alors
s'il
du
te
coup,
plaît.
tu vas laisser rentrer les zombies.
Pas les couilles des zombies, toi.
Parce qu'elle a prévenu en plus à Daron, dans pas longtemps, tu vas les voir griller.
Ouais, c'est bon. Ouais, nique sa
C'est-à-dire qu'il
mère.
il va arriver dans pas longtemps. Tu vas niquer le générateur. Et du coup, tu vas devoir faire un choix entre sauver une personne parmi deux.
Glad Andy knows how
Et
to
t'auras
fix
découvert
this
ce
if
qui
something
se
goes
cache dans la
wrong.
grange.
Écoute-moi bien,
Clues
on
about
dit
this
s'il doit y
stuff.
passer, il va y passer, c'est bon.
Vraiment.
Ce psychopathe.
Guess I'm gonna need a screwdriver for this.
Tiens, on n'a pas de tournevis.
There you go. Ow, damn it! That thing is
Hey,
moving
cool, quoi.
fast. Ow, damn it! That thing is moving fast. That thing is on too tight for my bare
Il va te
hands.
faire enculer, non. Moi j'ai peur qu'il coupe au ciseau, ça.
There.
Franchement,
that
on se
should
fait
do
cramer, on
it.
est mort.
Fucking Danny, where do you find this piece of shit? Oh, fucking thing through a belt. Damn it. Oh, son of a... Fuck. Oh, this take forever.
Un problème? Moi j'en ai pas. On va voir la vache pour la 4e fois, peut-être elle est malade, on sait pas.
Ça y est, t'as direct à la porte.
Bon petit, ferme la porte derrière toi.
Il fait jour, nuit, jour, nuit, jour, nuit, frère.
Vas-y, on lui parle pas, Kenny. Ah, j'ai envie de pisser tellement le jeu est lent.
Mom, Dad, dinner time! It's dinner time! Okay, honey, let's get that. Dad! Dad! Come on! Let's eat!
Kenny, come along, honey. Kenny, come on. Don't make the children wait.
I'll make an excuse for you. Get that thing off.
Je vais aux toilettes, je vais aux toilettes. Je suis aux toilettes, je suis urgent de baiser. Vas-y, gros. C'est eux qui ont placé le chien, le trap du chien?
Didn't you hear the bell? Dinner time.
Fils de pute.
Il va me tuer.
Vous trouvez la porte ouverte comme ça?
Sache qu'il va il va nous mettre une balle dans la tête, frère.
Attends, t'as vu la question ou pas?
Ouais.
J'ai trouvé la porte comme ça ouverte. Vas-y, on dit quoi?
La vérité, soit on a dit pourquoi il y a autant de sang, frère. Ça va être à lui de trouver une excuse.
Why was there so much blood in there?
Look, we have food here, but Danny and I still gotta do a lot of hunting to keep everyone fed. When we catch something in the woods,
Ouais,
we
tu vois,
skin
si
it
t'aurais
and
dit,
dress
ouais,
it back
regarde,
there.
j'ai vu la
Mama
porte
doesn't
ouverte, il va
like
te
us to
dire,
make a mess
prends
of
pas
the
le coup.
house. So you see, nothing to worry about.
Des vêtements, des sangs, des trappes de loup. On voit qu'ils ont que le trappe de loup, on peut pas le désactiver. Si on est un humain, tu vois, si on est un humain, on est censé pouvoir enlever le trappe de loup. On pouvait pas l'enlever. Le mec, Marc a dit, il y avait pas le mécanisme. Oui, ils l'ont saboté le trappe. C'est pour que, au cas où si un humain le prend, on peut pas l'enlever.
Lock the back door after Walker got upstairs. Don't worry, that was a while ago, and
Et Lou,
we
Clem.
ain't been back inside since.
Everybody
pistolet.
sit down. I'll go get the meal. Oh, this
Oh, elle est
is a delight.
I could eat a horse.
Where's Mark?
Now don't you worry about him. I've already brought some food up. You just let him rest.
C'est bon,
Mind if
je
I
sais ce
wash
qu'on doit
my
faire là.
hands first?
Bathroom's right outside in the hall. And be sure to get under your nails. You've been mucking around in the
Va te
dirt.
faire enculer
all
toi,
day.
parle bien bon.
T'as pensé que je suis noir?
Par contre, elle a dit où?
Je sais pas, frère. Dans tous les cas, on s'en fout, on va aller voir Marc là.
Walkers aren't getting through that thing.
Je suis un fils de pute. J'ai pas activé l'eau. Le placard ou la chambre?
Chambre. Chambre.
Hein?
Regarde par la fenêtre.
Is that blood?
Il est où Marc?
Normalement, tu peux la bouger, je pense, et elle mène derrière.
Placard?
Vas-y.
Bande de fils de pute.
C'est quoi?
Where's that cord going? What the hell?
Derrière
Ah,
l'armoire.
normalement, tu peux la bouger. Ah, je suis un monstre.
Dégage là.
Ouais, si tu refermes là, voilà le bruit, frère.
Wesh, quitte.
Ah, mais il y a la lumière en plus qui sort derrière. Enfin, en dessous. Mais couilles, ça fait aussi peu de bruit comme ça, frère.
J'ai la même armoire chez moi, ça fait du bruit.
Je t'assure que ça fait du bruit. Voilà.
Tu sais c'est qui?
Bah, c'est Marc.
Ouais, ses jambes.
Ouais.
Mark, what the hell happened?
Brothers.
Ouais, frère. Tu sers plus à rien dans l'aventure, je vais juste t'abandonner. Mais oui, si on mange le dîner, en fait on mange lit.
On mange lui.
En fait, si on mange le dîner, on mange Marc, je veux dire.
Ah, lui, j'ai compris lui.
Non.
T'en fous la merde, frère. Là, ça y est, c'est la bagarre.
Ouais, on chope le flingue.
Mange pas, mange pas, mange pas, mange pas, mange pas, mange pas, mange pas.
Don't eat that!
Huh? Lee, Jesus, man. Did you find something? Oh,
Ah.
sit your ass down, Lee.
Oh,
This
ça va
lady
partir en
just made
couille.
you a meal.
On va faire
Yeah,
exploser
Lee,
le
what's
truc.
gotten into you?
He just had a start.
He could use some
Je
goddamn
mange la
Dis la
manners.
vérité, là.
femme est complètement.
La tellement.
Marc
Mark
Hello.
is upstairs with his fucking legs cut off. You're eating him.
That's
What
crazy.
the hell?
Now.
You're scaring the kids, Lee.
Lee,
Non, mais non,
what
mais
the
il me
hell
suit
is
pas
wrong
aussi.
with you?
Regarde Duck qui se
Don't
régale.
indulge him, Lily. There's always something with this guy.
Dis au daron d'aller voir.
Mom, I wasn't
Attends.
eating
Il
that.
nous a échangé
Vas-y,
comme...
vas-y.
Il nous a échangé comme de
Non,
viande.
De quoi?
Je te mets de quoi là?
C'était quoi le premier?
Il nous a échangé contre de la viande. En gros, c'est nous l'alimentation. En fait, ils échangent aux bandits de la viande, et la viande, c'est nous.
Ouais, ou n'importe quoi, faut que ça fout
What's
la
going
merde
on?
là.
They're picking us off to trade as meat.
You're out of your skull.
Mark is
Ah, mais on a pas envie.
upstairs right now with no legs. Brenda, tell me he's not being eaten right now.
Non, vous bouffez pas Marc. Oh, regarde le nom.
It's true.
Everything could have turned out okay for you folks.
He would have died anyway. We gotta think about living.
Settle down, honey.
Ah,
Growing up in
baise-le,
rural
baise-le.
Georgia,
Oh, baise-lui
you're
là.
taught not
Baise
to
Angie par
waste.
contre.
It's how I was raised and how I raised my boys. Now, you got monsters roaming around that do nothing but eat people. And for what? To continue to rot till they eat some more. We think we can put that meat to better use.
Oh, on est plus nombreux que vous.
Number you.
Lee,
Voilà.
that's not a very nice thing to imply. Andy is right. We go after folks who were gonna die anyways, one way or another.
Like y'all.
Il attrape ton flingue.
Kenny, get
Ah,
your
quoique.
gun.
Kenny, no!
Nobody's
le
going
gauche,
anywhere.
Ah putain, ils avaient les flingues.
We got lots of use for y'all right here.
Ah merde, ils avaient des flingues eux.
What
Allemand.
the what?
Mais Kenny, t'es le
What?
mec le
Put
plus
your guns
nuque.
down! We're walking out of here!
my
Mommy,
family.
I don't want to die. Mommy, what did I eat?
Tout ira bien.
Everyone, everything will be okay.
Lee?
Putain, on devrait juste dire prends un couteau en fait. Alors toi,
Oh, je vais
je vais tuer, je vais. Oula, attends.
Oh,
Là, c'est vrai que là, c'est vrai qu'on peut pas faire grand chose là. On peut pas trop insulter les gens.
mais...
On choisit la deuxième option.
I'll kill you.
Hein, c'était la première. C'est la première que j'ai choisie. Oh, Marc il arrive. Marc il arrive.
Ouais, mais il arrive en zombie parce qu'il est mort et il a dit dès qu'on meurt, on se transforme en zombie.
Oui.
Il arrive en zombie là.
Et Duck il est tout le temps en avant-première pour voir ces choses. Ce qui me tue de rire. Ah, fils de pute. G troll. Tu sais, on a G troll de baiser. Mais je crois que j'ai troll. Ah, il y avait un moyen de s'échapper. Je suis sûr il y avait un moyen de s'échapper. Si on me menaçait pas, je pense qu'il y avait un moyen de s'échapper.
Moi aussi, ils ont laissé faible.
Mais vas-y, gros, c'est quoi ce mec? Il y a un putain de flingue devant lui, il veut pas prendre le flingue pour menacer?
It was a person. They tried to make us eat a person.
Elle sourit, c'est elle la folle en fait.
The rest of us did, goddammit! If you hadn't dragged your feet.
Come on, Dad. Now's not the time.
Tu vas bien le faire, tu vas bien le faire.
The man hit you.
They threw us in the meat locker.
Lee, we gotta get out of here. If they so much as touch my family, I'll kill those sons of bitches. Get us out, you sons of bitches!
Dad!
This goddamn thumbsucker was the one who brought us here. Will you all just shut the fuck up?
Il est con quoi le daddy, je vais baiser les deux fils, la daronne et toi aussi. On parle à Clémentine, toujours pas.
We're gonna find a way out of here.
Can I help?
Sure, honey. You keep your eyes open for exposed screws or loose panels.
Et oui, bah attends, c'est pas récupérer les vis qu'on avait.
Open a passage out of here.
Okay.
Oh, l'homme le plus con de France.
Shelves are pretty sturdy. We can climb up. But there's no way out through the ceiling.
Come on, show yourself, fucking cowards.
Yeah.
I don't want to know what kind.
There's more of us on the way. Let us out now.
Could there be a hole behind these pallets? No such luck.
Et là, ça on le dévisse. On fait monter Clémentine, Clémentine nous ouvre la porte.
Dad, you can't get.
Eh ouais, toi t'es le fond de France.
Dad?
Eh ouais, c'est l'homme le plus con de France.
No. Dad, come on. Dad.
Je fais une petite pause, j'ai envie de pisser en fait.
Bah, il laisse fini pour lui là.
Moi je suis pipi tout transparent.
Oh God, he stopped breathing. I think he's had a heart attack.
Shit. Is he dead?
He's not dead. Somebody help me.
Fuck. If he's dead.
He's not dead.
You know what has to happen, Lee. Think about it. You saw that poor bastard at the
Non mais il est pas mort gros.
fast he turned?
What are you saying?
Oh, on fait quoi?
I'm sorry, I truly am. But in a few minutes, we're gonna be stuck in a locked room with a 6'4", 300-pound, seriously pissed off dead guy.
Fuck you. We can bring him back. Lee!
On le sauve.
But right now, we have to
C'est
keep
une
him
crise
from
cardiaque,
coming
dans la
back.
logique on peut le sauver.
God damn it, Kenny.
Si dans 10 minutes il y a rien, on le tue.
Lily can still save him.
I wish she could, believe me, I do. But that man is dead. You both know what happens next.
Kenny, listen.
Don't think I forgot about what you said at
mais
the
oui, c'est vrai
drugstore
qu'il se
when you all
transforme en
thought
zombie
Duck was
après.
bitten. Well, I'm just doing the same thing, except Duck wasn't bitten, and we know this guy's not gonna make it. Remember what Ben said. Gotta destroy the brain. Come on, Lee. You can't be in the middle on this one. You gotta have my back this time.
God damn it, Lee. I need you. Please help me. Come on, Dad. Come on.
Pour moi, il s'en sort.
Wake up.
Je pense que de toute façon après il va revenir en zombie alors.
Lee!
Is he breathing at all?
No, no, I don't think so.
Okay,
Ah
let
bah,
me take over. Keep checking his pulse.
Tout pour ma princesse Lily.
Are you stupid? He's gonna turn!
What?
You're putting all of us at risk, you son of a bitch! You're fucking worthless, Lee.
Oh, lui,
What the fuck? I'm so sorry. It had to be done.
You don't know that!
Yes, I do.
Mais où sa femme? Il est où
So
Doug?
you.
Ils sont où les deux autres là?
I was counting on you, man.
Oh, je suis sûr que Doug il a disparu.
I'm sorry. I know.
Don't you fucking touch me.
Ouais, voilà. Ouais. Trop de Celsius, j'ai comme notif.
Is it over?
Pas encore.
Not yet. We still have to find a way out of here. I know. But you gotta be strong right now. I need you to be strong. Think about something else, something hopeful.
Like what?
Pas tes parents déjà.
Getting out of here.
Dans Tokyo.
We're gonna get out.
Et elle a plus? Elle a jamais récupéré?
Find a way out?
Oui, mais c'est les remplace parents.
Ah ouais. Bah je pense qu'elle va nous envoyer bouler.
He was still alive, Lee.
On l'a
He
aidé.
was still alive.
Larry était un bon père.
Sorry, Lily. I truly am. Larry and me, we might not have got along so great, but I know he would have done anything to protect you. He was a good father.
Arrête de chialer, tu puisseras moins. Bon, nous on
Ought to be
retourne
an
à
air
notre
behind this
occupation.
unit. Maybe big enough for one of us to fit through.
Does the air conditioner come off?
I think I could take it off. if
Mais
I had
je le
something
jure,
to
c'était le
remove
meilleur
the
choix de le sauver. C'est
screws.
juste ce trou du cul de
The
Kenny,
multi-tool.
genre.
Of course they don't get shit.
Maybe there's something
Ah, merde.
else we could use. I've got a rock.
Ah, rock won't help, but a coin might do the trick. Do you have a coin?
Et prends un vertèbre du daron, frère.
Oh la phrase de gros psychopathe.
Au point où on en est, franchement.
It's not coming off that way.
Avec les ongles. Avec un chicot du daron. T'as pas une pièce ça? Ça le gig.
I don't want to hear it, Lee. You think I like doing what I did? I'm the guy who couldn't bear to watch the family dog get put down. But if we want to survive this shit, we gotta have the balls to do the hard thing. Or at least one of us has got to.
J'ai besoin d'une pièce.
Listen, I need a coin or something. It's important. It can get us out of here.
Well,
C'est vrai qu'il n'y a pas sa femme, hein, et ni son fils.
Bah.
Espèce de trou du cul, quoi.
Please. I need to be alone.
Mais moi j'ai besoin d'une pièce.
God knows you deserve time to grieve, Lily.
C'est chacun son problème en ce moment.
But if we're gonna get out of here, we need your help. And Larry's.
C'est qui dit en plus?
Think I may have
Celle
found
de
a way
Larry.
out of here. But I
Oui,
need
il dit
something to remove the
j'ai besoin
screws
d'une
on the
pièce,
air
genre,
conditioner.
on a besoin de serrer les couilles.
If you had something I could
Ton
use
daron,
as a
ça commence à avoir un peu les couilles.
coin or something.
No.
Il était sympa, il gueulait, mais il aboyait, mais il mordait pas, tu vois. Mais vas-y,
Look, I
passe
know
une
this
pièce.
is a terrible time for it, but back at the
L'entraînement d'Ier.
Larry mentioned something about keeping coins in his pockets.
What do you want? My blessing to loot his corpse?
Oui.
Permission.
Franchement, ouais.
Et si tu me dis non, je
Do
t'encule.
what you have
Donc
to
choisis.
do.
M'en bats les couilles, allez, m'en bats les couilles. Non, j'avais complètement zappé qu'il avait une pièce.
Moi aussi.
Any idea which pocket he keeps his change in?
Dans la bouche, là. Mais un bloc de sel, tu tues pas une personne avec.
Bah, pas à ce point-là.
Je pense savoir où, je pense savoir où, je pense savoir où. Je suis pas, c'est pas là. Hein.
A ring.
My mother's.
Don't worry, I'm not taking it.
Oh, ferme ta gueule, tu
Là,
donnes
là,
ça.
tu dis à la petite, tu dis elle est à toi maintenant.
Voilà.
2 quarters.
On va fouiller l'autre poche au cas où.
Ah, mais du coup, l'autre sœur là qu'elle avait là, qui est morte.
Non, c'était pas sa sœur, c'était pas sa sœur, c'était pas sa sœur.
Mais c'était qui alors?
C'est une journaliste qu'ils ont trouvée comme ça.
Ah.
Qui a été sauvée par Doug.
C'est quoi, c'est une zombie?
Mais c'est bon, elle a été sauvée par Doug, on n'allait pas la sauver une deuxième fois.
Et Doug, c'est qui lui? C'est le frère à elle?
Non, Doug c'est un random aussi. Ah, finalement,
Parce que la famille, il y avait que le daron
Ouais.
et la fille. Quoi.
Ouais. Par contre, Gwen, le mec il est parti. Hein. Il est parti, le chinois là.
Gwen.
C'est le
Ah
chinois
oui,
là.
c'est vrai.
Lui il est
Mais non, il est resté au
parti.
moteur. Il est resté au motel.
Non, il a dit qu'il partait pour rejoindre sa famille à Atlanta.
Ah oui, c'est vrai.
Il a fait le meilleur choix de sa vie.
Vraiment.
Allez,
Clementine can fit through.
on envoie Clémentine.
Probably lead right into that back room.
Moi, je suis déjà on envoie un Pokémon, frère. Je pense que tu peux le faire, je pense que tu peux le faire.
You think you can do this?
I'm scared.
It's okay to be scared.
We need you, Clementine.
Toi, ferme ta gueule. Parle pas à ma fille.
You're gonna be fine.
Paul.
What do I do when I get out?
See if you can get to the other side of that door and open it.
Tous les jours j'y passe moi.
Moi aussi.
Elle va gueuler de l'autre côté, on va l'entendre résonner, tu vas voir.
Are you okay? Did anyone see you?
On va pas derrière elle.
Anne outside.
Where the hell are you going?
What do you care?
Va te faire enculer toi. Elle prend un bloc de ciment là, on va envoyer un parpaing.
I'm sorry. We gotta go.
I know. I just need a minute to say goodbye. Hey, we're good. Okay?
Yeah, this is good.
Shit, he's gonna get us all killed. Stay here. Take care of Lily, okay?
I will.
Toi prends un parpaing, mon sang. On est à la grange.
C'est vrai qu'il avait pas vu ça.
Ah oui. Ah oui, on pouvait pas lui dire. Ah!
I told you there was something up with this room. It's a goddamn human slaughterhouse.
Il pendait les gens. Voilà. Il y a un truc à gauche. Ah, déjà on va récupérer ça. On récupère tout. On récupère toutes les armes. Ah non.
Ah bah non, pour l'instant là. Ah, tu vas avoir un truc. Tu vas avoir besoin des deux de toute façon. Et tu vas faire une action, ils vont te dire potentiellement j'avais pris ça au lieu de ça et voilà.
Ouais mais...
Et l'autre il peut pas, il a deux mains, il peut pas en prendre une lui.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Getting my family back.
What are you gonna do? Walk up and grab his gun?
Good a plan as any.
Il est con lui. Il est où Duck là? Il fait quoi? Oh, baise-le sa grand-mère à lui. Combien de body count? Ça va comment? On en a déjà un et ça va commencer avec deux.
Qui que celui que tu comptes à un?
Hein?
C'est qui le 1 de Bootcamp?
Le sénateur qu'on a tué?
Dad, what are
Sénateur.
you doing outside the barn?
Oh shit! Just guarding the place like
Rappelle
you
plus.
said.
Mais en gros le sénateur, en fait on l'a pas vu. Mais en gros ils nous ont dit qu'on avait tué le sénateur parce qu'il avait trompé notre femme.
Ah oui, c'est vrai.
Pick one to keep and kill the rest.
And I bet which one to keep alive.
Not the kid. Not enough meat on it to trade.
Oh, I know, Mabel. This is my favorite part too. When
Non,
I let
non,
one
on regarde
think
pas.
they can just walk right out. They never
Si tu peux,
even
mais.
look down.
Mais il est là, il est à côté de la vache.
See where he is now.
T'as pas le choix.
What's going on?
C'est quoi ce QTE de merde? C'est quoi ce... Tiens, en plus devant mon écran, je te jure, j'ai regardé. Oh. Wesh, je tape. Wesh.
Voilà. Quoi? Il est pas mort là?
Oh, on lui donne l'arme en plus.
Vas-y, réagis mon frère. Ouais, voilà.
Oh, lit. Fils de pute, égorge-le maintenant. Égorge-le. Comme si c'était l'Aïd, égorge-le le mouton comme si c'était l'Aïd. Égorge-le moi.
T'es gros une merde toi.
Toi, on retient toi. Toi, on va te faire la zipette si 2 kills arrive un truc. Hein? Finis-le moi.
You see? You understand now, don't you? You can have me. It's how the world works now. Give part of yourself so others can live.
I should fucking kill you right now.
Ce qui va se passer, t'inquiète pas.
That's why you killed that woman in the woods. She was about to spill everything.
You weren't ready to hear yet, Lee. Had to stop. You gotta keep me alive. If you kill me, the meat gets tainted. You can't eat it.
You're already tainted.
You ain't gonna kill me. Just like he didn't kill Jolene. You don't have what it takes.
Écoute-moi bien, soit on le tue pas, soit on le tue. Et de toute façon, la daronne elle va y passer, je m'en bats les couilles, gros, c'est un putain de psychopathe! C'est un putain de psychopathe! Qui mérite. Ah oh, putain, Clémentine, casse.
Par contre, faut vider le cerveau, non?
Clémentine a vu ce que tu as fait.
On est mort.
Katja!
Just go. I'll keep Clementine safe.
Et ouais, on est trop con, si la meuf elle était là, Clémentine forcément elle suivait comme un toutou. Mais on devait se venger de Marc.
Non, mais juste faut le tuer. Clémentine, ça y est, il lui a dit faut qu'elle soit forte maintenant.
Gros, la grange elle fait. Elle fait 2 mètres de hauteur et nous on fait ça. Ah, tu veux pas récupérer son pistolet un peu? Ah, tu veux pas tenir une arme dans ta main, petit trou du cul là?
Oula, c'est quoi ces lasers là?
Where's that coming from?
Vous voyez, il passe devant le viseur. Oh, c'est Doug!
Ah! Doug, what the hell was that?
Morse code.
You almost blinded me.
Sorry about that, but I did get your attention. We heard screams from the barn. What's going on?
These people are fucking crazy.
I knew it. I told you we couldn't trust them. Where is everybody? What can we do to help?
Larry's dead. They chopped off Mark's legs and tried to feed him to us.
Jesus, that's sick.
They've still got Duck and Katja in the house, and I don't know where the fuck Kenny is.
All right, we're coming in to help.
No. If we storm the house, we'll cause a panic. You two try to find a way around to the back. I'll head to the front.
You got it. Come on, this way. Wait, are you sure? Yes. No. Yes.
I'm gonna take the boy, check around back.
Please don't take my boy.
Let go, woman.
Settle down. I don't want to hurt y'all.
Andy? Danny, is that you? What's going on out there?
Oui, c'est moi.
Mais je crois qu'elle est conne à ce point.
Oui.
Vas-y.
Yeah, it's me.
Non.
Ah, il y en a une qui va mourir du coup avec ses chants.
Lee, hit back! Don't come in here. You just had to go snooping around, didn't ya?
Let her Brenda.
Ah, mais elle a le petit, putain, je l'ai pas vu.
Please, please don't you take another step.
Non, elle a la femme.
Come on now, you know you don't want to do this.
Just go away and leave us be.
Ah, mais il y a l'autre qui va arriver là, Kenny. Il va arriver par en haut. Non, il est passé par où lui? Il est parti avant nous, on est arrivé avant lui.
Je sais pas où il est.
Stop right there, I mean it.
Ton fils, il est encore en vie.
Think about what you're doing. It doesn't have to end like this.
I'll kill her, Lee.
Just let me go.
Marc.
C'est un zombie, Marc? On gagne juste du temps.
Attends, mais
C'est un
non,
zombie,
mais-
c'est un zombie, c'est un putain de zombie.
Mais c'est pas Marc, il fait descendu. Alors tu vas me dire, il est remonté.
Il l'a ramené là. Hop. On avance pas, on attend. Ah, Marc, pas pitié. Ah, faut qu'on la fasse reculer.
Stay back. Don't do anything stupid.
Let her go, Brenda.
On est gentil.
Listen to him.
I'll do it.
Please.
Pas encore 2-3 pas, c'est ça là.
3.
I don't want to kill you, Lee.
Moi non plus, moi je t'aime bien. Tu n'as pas le courage, on va pas jouer à ce jeu. On va pas jouer à ce jeu.
Just stop.
Oui, recule. Recule, ma
Genre, elle
princesse.
l'entend pas là. Là, elle l'entend pas là.
Mais gros, il y a tellement de bruit, je pense qu'elle entend pas. Nous, on le voit.
Bon, on l'entend aussi, nous.
They took Doug. Where's Kenny?
I said, don't move, asshole! Don't you fucking hurt him!
Oh my God.
Il est où?
Let him go, goddammit!
Ah, il est là.
That ain't gonna happen.
Andy,
Ta mère, elle est encore en vie. Ton fils, encore. Ton frère, il est encore en vie. Oh, fils de
Il est
pute.
vraiment con, lui.
Andy.
Ah, tu vas devoir sauver ou le
Who the
fils ou
fuck do
Kenny.
you people think you are? Look at what you done!
Calm down.
Calm down. What for, huh? All we wanted was some goddamn gasoline.
Putain, j'ai plus de force. Je suis un noir, j'ai plus de force. Il a mordu?
Aïe.
Oh, penalty.
Oh. Aïe. Il va te jeter contre la truc.
Mais quoi, on est en WWE?
Par-dessus la troisième.
Par contre, j'ai cliqué, hein. Ah, fils de pute, c'est long. Ça commence à être long. Ah, je change de doigt. C'est long. C'est long. Mais aidez-moi. Aidez-moi. Fils de pute. Je peux pas, je peux pas. Gros, je te jure, je me trahi la touche. Regarde, regarde. Fils de pute. Je dois me laisser crever, quoi. Regarde.
Il a pas de force, tu forces avec ton crâne, toi.
Mais j'appuie sur un. Mais je suis au max là. Quand c'est resserré, c'est bien. Je bouge la souris, je fais tout là. Je dois me laisser crever là.
Tu peux pas tourner la souris, voir ce qu'il y a.
Non, je peux rien faire. Les gars, j'appuie rien, je fais pas d'effort, regarde, je laisse. J'appuie un coup. Il a pas de force cette pute. Je dois me laisser tuer. Je fais quoi? Je me laisse tuer?
Ça y est.
Eh non. Eh non. Attends, il va me crever un œil. Mais par pitié, venez m'aider. Ils font quoi, Doug?
C'est vrai que, wesh.
Lily!
Ah putain.
Vas-y, vas-y. Vas-y.
Par-dessus la 3ème corde.
Un petit fils de pute. Oh, c'est qui? Ah non, attends. On doit éviter parce que.
Il y a...
Ouais.
Clem.
Je devais pas.
Oh non,
J'aurais dû. Ouais, petit fils de pute, hein. Par-dessus la 3ème corde!
Is that all you got, Lee? You ain't shit!
Oh, il cherche la merde par contre.
It's over! Fuck you! As soon as Dad and Mama get out here, you're all fucked!
Oh, Dan et maman, ils sont...
Ils sont morts tous les deux. Ils sont morts tous les deux. Je vais te traumatiser maintenant.
What did you do? What the
Je vais te
fuck
traumatiser.
did
Tu vas
you
te mettre à terre
do?
maintenant. Tu vas te mettre à terre. Gros, on le traumatise, j'en ai rien à
Don't
foutre.
you dare walk away from me, Lee! Get back here and finish this, Lee!
Non, mais y'a Clem, y'a Clem, y'a Clem.
Je le tue? Ou je le tue
Y'a
pas?
Clem, y'a Clem, y'a Clem.
Gros, ils peuvent revenir pour s'enculer à nous.
Attends, la daronne, elle va revenir en zombie, elle.
Vas-y, on le tue. Mais gros, t'as entendu ce qu'il nous a dit? On était des petits fils de pute, des petits lâches.
Vas-y, fais comme tu veux.
Non, vas-y, dis, je t'écoute en fait.
Oh non, vas-y pas.
Non, j'ai envie de le tuer devant Clémentine. Moi.
Il va tuer. Vas-y alors.
Non, vas-y, on le tue pas, on est bon. On est dans le bueno, nous.
Déjà, s'ils prennent tout de 4000 volts, frère, il sera mort.
Get back here and fight me like a man, Lee! Lee!
Ah, c'est les zombies qui vont le tuer?
They're getting in.
Oh, c'est encore plus drôle.
Let's go.
Wesh.
Et on part sans pitié, nous. Et la grand-maman. On est venu, on a vaincu, on est parti.
On est venu, on a vu, on a vaincu. C'est tout, frère.
Tu te bats comme un fermier. Ah mais du coup là on les a baisés. Du coup là Clémentine a fait ah, c'est pas un tueur finalement. Et du coup finalement peut-être on a eu raison de tuer Lee. L'autre, Andy.
Ouais, parce qu'il... Ben, remarque, Lily après elle l'aurait... Genre elle l'aurait...
Sorry for leaving the motor
retenu, genre.
unattended.
I never thought a laser pointer would be the thing that saved our lives. I'm glad you showed up when you did.
Well, we gotta stick together. Were they really chopping up people? For food?
Yeah, and Clementine almost ate some.
Man, that is sick. Clementine, she doesn't know, right?
Alors moi j'ai mangé à tout coup, on dirait du poulet, c'est excellent.
I stopped her. This fucking world now. It's hiding just unspeakable shit at every turn.
Were you guys able to salvage anything good from the dairy?
Not really. St. John's took everything I had before the place got completely overrun with walkers.
Oh, I was able to grab a couple of your things back while Brenda wasn't looking.
It doesn't work. You have any use for it, Doug?
It's just a basic camcorder. The same one's cheapy. Let me check it out. See if I can get it working.
How are you doing?
I'll be fine. Just not as young as I used to be. Hun, go on ahead and give me and Lee a second. There's gonna be fallout.
For killing Lily's dad? Yeah, I would imagine so.
What do you think?
Tu as assassiné Larry.
You murdered Larry.
Fuck you, man. You're alive because of me. Why didn't you have my back?
I saved your wife and kid.
No, I saved them by making sure Larry didn't kill us.
I couldn't do it, Ken.
Well, maybe we should stay out of each other's way for a while.
C'était pas le meilleur truc en fait.
Come on, Clementine. Stay close.
Lee, did you have to kill those men?
Je te disais que tu vas voir ça.
I'm sorry you had to see that, but I only did it to protect us.
Because they tried to hurt us?
Yes.
Ouf, on a fait le
Eh
meilleur choix.
oui.
Hey, Dad.
Eh oui.
What's that noise?
Recule,
Arrive,
toi.
toi.
Reste à côté de nous par contre, commence pas à casser les couilles.
Sounds like a car.
Oh god, not more strangers.
Y a quelqu'un?
Ouais.
Parce que sortez ou je tire, c'est pas fou. Ne tirez pas, on est ici pour vous aider. C'est vraiment une phrase d'un mec qui veut vous mettre à l'envers, tu vois. Alors qu'il y
Pas
a,
de victime surtout.
il y a quelqu'un. Mais non, mais tu vois, quand on te dit ne tirez pas, on est ici pour vous aider. Souvent, c'est pour vous enculer. Il y a quelqu'un.
Hello?
Figures.
Oh, crap. Baby, you gotta see this. It's a shitload of food and supplies back here.
Comme par hasard.
This food could save all of us.
Not all of us.
Excuse-toi, par pitié. Commence pas à ouvrir ta bouche.
Look, we don't know if these
J'y
people
comprends
are
pas.
dead.
Je comprends pas,
If
j'ai
they
rien fait de
come
mal.
back, then we're just monsters who came out of the woods and ruined their lives.
Elle a raison.
This stuff isn't ours.
Ça,
Dad, whose car is it?
Don't worry about that.
C'est la mienne, c'est la mienne, t'inquiète.
It's ours now.
It's abandoned, Ducky. Don't worry.
Non, mais non, on va
What if
pas
it's
voler. À tout
not?
le monde, ça a des gens, on se fait enculer.
Well, what if it's not abandoned? What if it is someone's?
Eh ben on attend et voilà. On verra.
Non, mais viens, on se met du
Ça veut
côté.
dire qu'on l'a pris?
Tu as raison, on aurait pas dû le prendre.
Vas-y.
On se met du côté de Clémentine.
Ouais.
On regarde en plus, tout le monde regarde partout et on voit Kenny regarder Clémentine. Bride pas.
You're right. We shouldn't take this.
What? Did you get some meal back there the rest of us missed out on? We have to take this stuff.
We'll survive without it.
The hell we will.
We'll find a way.
The rest of us are taking this stuff. Okay, what have we got in here?
Look, there's more food in that box.
They have antibiotics. What else do they have?
Any electronics? Radios? Batteries?
Here. Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Lee, there's a hoodie in here. Could probably fit Clementine.
She's good. Thanks.
Whatever, man. It's gonna get cold out eventually.
Here, Clem. Want some batteries? Hey, Lee. You know that camcorder? I got it working. You might want to see this.
Pourquoi il propose des piles?
Hein? Il nous filmait? Par contre, Clémentine va te faire enculer que tu sois sur la route.
Jake, Bart, Linda, and all y'all fucking sickos from the save lots. They call y'all bandits, but you're fucking rapist. Oh, darling baby, look at you. Look at you. Oh, you need a mama, sweetheart. We won't let them bandits get you where
Elle
we
pensait que c'était nous les bandits?
Okay,
Where's your hat?
I don't know. Can you help me find it?
Sure. When did you lose it?
I had it a couple days ago.
I promise. If I
Y'all
find
thinking
it,
you're
I'll let
safe?
you know.
Sitting there acting like things are the way they used to be. The dead don't kill their own. It's the living you gotta be afraid of. The people I used to call friends. The people who just... Don't worry, little girl. Bandits got their eye on that dairy. As long as they keep getting food from them, you'll be safe. I promise.
Hein? Mais je comprends pas, elle est folle ou quoi?
Un peu.
Elle pense que c'est nous les bandits? Bon, la prochaine fois, t'as compris, c'est maintenant.
This place is done. It's time to move on. Screw it. Not like you ever listen to a damned word I say.
Is this all you got?
I told you this town is tapped. Do you have any idea what we had to do to get all that? We need to leave. Duck was asking about the farm last night. Not much phases him, but it's starting to add up. I need to get to the coast. Get him out of all this madness. Lily's not doing so good, huh?
You murdered her dad.
I did what I had to, and you know it. Maybe people out there got things lined up better. Better than us, at least. Could be folks who have all this shit figured out.
Do people get mad when they're scared?
Sometimes, yeah, they do.
You're so full of bullshit!
I'm the one keeping this group going!
We can sort all this out, all right? We can sort this out.
I'll tell you what we need to sort out. We can't let one person fuck this up for everyone else!
Dans l'épisode 3, il a l'air là long. Ah! À couper la jambe de David. Vous êtes 84. On est 84 à avoir fait ça. À tirer sur Jolene. C'est qui Jolene?
Je sais pas. Avant que Danny lui tire dessus, Danny, c'est qui Danny?
Attends, à tirer sur Jolene?
Ah, mais si, c'est la folle dans la forêt.
Ah. On n'a pas tiré sur Danny. Bah, on
A
est
aidé à
87
tuer
personnes
Larry.
qui ont censé.
Eh oui. Revanche a tué les deux frères Saint-Jean. Ah non, on n'a pas tué. Ah oui, c'est qu'on a tué, on en a tué qu'un.
Il y a 18 fils de pute qui ont pas hésité. Hein. À aider, tuer
Et vous,
Larry.
à
Non,
voler la
mais,
nourriture dans la voiture.
ok. Finalement, on aurait pu voler la nourriture. Mais du coup, Clémentine nous aurait détesté.
Ouais.
J'ai jamais autant. Mais j'aime trop les trucs de choix à la fin, comme ça on voit.
Mm.
Ah, il y en a 5 épisodes. Et épisode spécial, mais bon. Tu veux continuer ou attends, ça fait combien de temps on joue? Ça fait
chaud.
2 heures. On fait ça une prochaine fois?